I have found a faceless channel getting millions of views only by animated cartoons. It has gained over 6.35 million subscribers only just by posting 281 videos. Their style instantly grabs attention while scrolling. They use simple concepts in a very smart way. These videos honestly look like they were made by using premium AI tools, but the crazy part is I'm going to show you how it actually made using just the 3 free AI tools. I have created a powerful prompt blueprint for you, given in the description below. All you need to copy and paste the prompt to the ChatGPT. I put a lot of efforts in making these videos prompts, so this isn't just the ordinary prompt. It is the complete basic step-by-step system made to create better viral content. It will generate all 10 scenes prompts for both text to image and image to video. You have to first copy scene 1, text to image prompt, and head over to Flow AI, click on New Project. Make sure adjust the basic setting for image generation, and once it's done, then take a few seconds to create the visual. As you can see, it has created a very high-quality polished image just by a few clicks. I know a lot of people spending money on AI tools just to create content. You really don't have to. All you need is to just copy and paste scene prompt in Flow AI. It will generate the images instantly. Yes, for 100% free. If you face any error while generating images, you can just use different Gmail accounts. If you don't have many accounts, then you can use temporary mails. Now for the video generation, open Tencent AI Studio. Click on the Tencent by Research. Just log in through your Gmail account. No confusing setup, no complicated process. Once you are done with that, click on Open Source Model. This will show you different models. For now, we will click on Video Generation Model. You can change the model and resolution setting according to you. After doing the basic setting, upload the image scene that you have created through Flow AI and then just paste the video prompt of scene from the chat GPT. Make sure to off the prompt enhancer and then just click on Generate Now. Then the system starts processing, and trust me, the quality is so impressive you can see the result by yourself. Now you have simply click on Download. Similarly, you have to generate remaining videos. You can generate many types of videos. If you get any error while generating, you can just log in using different Gmail account. Don't wait. Even you are a beginner, just start your own faceless channel today, completely for free by using these free tools. Thanks for watching. If this video is helpful for you, like, share, and subscribe for the upcoming videos. Meet you in next video.